Hey, what's up friends? Thanks for joining me today. Today I am shooting this video on a gator clamp with a gooseneck. I'm sticking it directly in my jacket, so it gives you kind of a cockpit view, if you will. It's not always straight. I mumble a few times through the ride. I don't know if you can really hear me that well. Don't worry about it. If you want to skip through the riding part at the end, I talk about some tires and some other stuff. If you want to hear me yap, more than welcome. Right into the sun. Can't see anything. Okay. Slow it down. Not the best time to ride on this road with the sun in my eyes. beams. Those are really cool. Yeah, please, Mr. Cloud, stay right there and block the sun for me. Thank you very much. Love to have the R18 bagger on this road. Test ride it here, see how it handles all these little curves and swoops. Old fire truck. Now we're entering Volente. I guess this is like a small town. The sun is back. Unfortunately, there's nowhere to park really. Let's take a quick break here and then head out. So these are all little cabins up here. You can rent these. And then the lake is right over there. Over on the other side of that fence. I'll take you over there, but again, there's nowhere to park really. Yeah, someone sent me a message and asked me about the R18 test ride, and am I still a fan of my RS after test riding? And of course I am. Big fan of my bike. As a matter of fact, when I got on my bike after my test ride, it was so nice. It was small, my small 534-pound bike compared to almost 900 pounds. It was so cool to get on it and then just jam back home and just lean it over, cruise around. So familiar with it, the weight and the style of riding. Nothing beats your own bike. So that was really cool. But let's see what else. Yeah, I'm getting some new tires. Pick up my back tire here. And the front tire is really bad. It's cupped and the tread is almost gone in the middle. Yeah, so I'm getting the 23rd, getting 2 new tires, some Road 6s. Can't wait to try those out. And in fact, this front tire is not grabbing that much, and that's why I went a little wide on that corner back there. It didn't slip out on me, but I was just nervous that it would, so I kind of held back on cornering, which, you know, obviously isn't smart. But about a week ago or so, I was on a road going into a corner, not sharp, and there was one of these black snakes, you know, these snake things that they put in the roads. My front tire slipped out on me, and I didn't almost go down, just slipped out. The bike controlled it, no problems, but it scared the crap out of me. And I said, that's it, new tires. So I'm coordinating my new tires with my 12,000 mile tune-up. So I've got over 12,000 miles on this dude. I know most people name their bikes after girls, but if you've seen any of my other videos, I mentioned at the beginning when my 10-year-old son at that time saw this bike, he just said Darth Vader. And so it's always been a dude to me. It's always been like Darth Vader on 2 wheels. That's a sharp looking bike. So I went on that R18 ride, and one of the things that I didn't really know a lot about was the history behind the design and behind that bike. So if you're interested, do yourself a favor and go online on YouTube, on BMW's YouTube channel, and they have I think it's a 12-part series on the development of the R18 concept bike and what went into that. And it's really cool behind the scenes stuff in Germany and Italy, America, and different places. So I'm about halfway through that. I think I'm on episode 6 or 7 or something like that. But yeah, check that out. But that's it from this end. I'm gonna jump back on, head home. So, thanks for hanging with me. See you next time.